Then 1477 Bognor Regis. 377442. Do you saw that earlier? Yeah, we saw about an hour ago. Now is there a wheelchair on board now? So it's annoying. Gonna go close to number 3. 3773 again? Do you check what's going? Do you look at the time change where it's going? Do you check on your phone? Go and pause it for sound available. Yeah, pause it for sound available. Barnum. I might about 81%. Maybe it's Victoria. 1 minute late. 3774 Friday here soon. It's between Hampshire, yeah? Freight train is between Hampshire and West Sussex.
Go where?
That train's going. Number 23 to Brighton, and then 23 to Brighton, 2 minutes late, it's on time. Number 23 to Hampton, 600, 2 minutes late. We're at 7225, and the other was 202. Both are Gatwick Express. Red ones again! Red ones! Be on charge about 1 month ago. You were born this unit already? That unit? Yeah, 1 month ago. Creating charge 9th of March. Both Gatwick Express services, Gatwick Express service to Brighton, Wales, Southampton Central. Yeah, creating charge 2 and 225.
It's meant to be today, but no one's
My number for very short to Southampton Central as well. I see something trying down the distance. It's just a chitty start. I see down the distance. 3. 3 coaches. And I beat them 1-1 again! One free something 1-1 again. 371 again. Hey! 371 again. They're 3 coach 377. Something to the Brighton 377 328. And then 3 normal XNHS. You know, normal suburb. Picked up some more ones going. I was up at 5 today. I was up at 5 in the morning. I tried 6 o'clock. I was up at 5:30 in the morning. My alarm goes off. Three seven seven four 140. Yeah, 149. Sorry. 377 149. Let's get my driver change. It's about. Then 40 minute out. 377 149. Would be Ford. Would be Ford. Mine in West Sussex. F12 Hello, 377 314. Brighton. Via Hampton. Via Hampton. I spell there Hampton. Spell look at Hampton. Look at Hampton. Spell look at Hampton. Spell look at Hampton. Then we went to Brighton this evening. Huh? Then we went to Brighton this evening. Luckily, Mayor's pretty Brighton. It's between Hampshire now.
Hampshire and Sussex.
West Sussex. You say West Sussex? Another 377 electro store unit. 377 156. 14 minutes by pudding. 14 minutes. It's been late now. It's 15. Then 4 for now. 30 minutes of freight approaching. Huh? Three times the ones saw XSE. And that has that chassis in 2022. Wanna go down to 7? 10 minutes of approaching, okay? 10 minutes approach. Then 4 sensor story is leaving now. And from the 12th plate. Can't be fun for this my pocket. 377 164. Where? Ah, 377 134. Bound for Brighton from Portsmouth to Sussex. No, it's in Southampton Central to Brighton, sorry. Yeah, Southampton Central to Brighton. Do you check where's it from? Do you check yours, please? Oh, yes, train. Yeah, Southampton Central to Brighton. Southampton Central to Brighton. Get the cards. Then 53 to Brighton is I'm leaving now. This is number 2, by 5 minutes. That's easy whistle, thank you only. Nice to double whistles, thank you kindly. You go home to be angry. I need to go to a timetable for what's the show called. Right here soon! Hey! I see the freight train down the distance between Chichester and here. Numbers? 30128. Yeah, 30128, GN. Now it's printed. See? Printed. Now it's stopping train. See? Printed. This is missing transfer from GN. There's 3 down the distance. 3 to 6 car stop, okay? Rest for 2, Southampton, Prison for 2. Facing 1 first, facing 2. Rest for stroke 2s. Yes. 377 412. Portsmouth Harbour. Portsmouth Harbour. They're chasing the GN. They're chasing the GN 387. Let's throw down the distance. I pressure red light. It's 2%. That transport to Harbour is leaving. Phrase in the distance. I think the 387 is distance between them. Very nice. Yeah. Now past the freight train from Wesley Tarmac to Crawley Freight Yard. We'll pass the 59s again. Was about 5 minutes late.
Once again, the train approaching platform 3 is definitely not stopping here. Please stand clear. 143, thank you.
We'll get there, we'll upload to get home. That is 6 minutes late. Where's by 59 206? Sure, Buses Yeoman. Pete Vale, I can't read it. Yeah, that's right, his name right. $19. Off goes to Crawley Freight Yard. That's Foster's Yeoman. From Westbury Tarmac. So here's 377-103. The southern service to Chichester is the... Chichester only, it's too bad. It's 4 minutes early. It's due arrive 4 minutes early. It's due 4 minutes early. 12:04 says London Victoria is in 1. This will go from London 3. 4, they're chasing the freight train. He said 377-442. Some says Chichester's leaving now.
Huh?
We got up early today.
Yes.
6 officers, 6 hours a route code. Copy off the registration now. Another 377 again. Between Chichester. Yeah. 377, 120. Yeah. Can you check? Yeah. 377, 120 is leaving now. I'm gonna go 2, close 2. You'll go 1, I'll go 2. Live to Crawley! You're new! Live to Crawley, you're new!
They're not working?
They work, oh, you're new! Live to Crawley!
They're new?
Yeah, do it in 2020, feature to 4 1.
One in 20.
You go coach 2, can you go door 1 please, coach door 1, I'll go 2. This one. You sit down, I'm going to sit over there. Yeah, I'll go, you go, I'll go get that. slow lift. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Media footbridge. We'll hear the Stanner. Dirty 700 from Peterborough. 70124 drive the Pearl Archer, and that's the two names. You want to find one at the numbers at the train. Gonna hook up.
Platform 1 and 2. Doors opening. Lift going up.
Bridge link.
Doors closing.
No. Oh. Bridge link level.
Bridge length level. Doors opening. Lift going down.
Oh, and that's 7 days.